Thank you for watching the unboxing video for the JVC HAEN10BTs. This is the teal or green model, but they do come in a variety of other colors for you to choose from. This is the USB to micro USB charging cable. The nozzle fit ear tips, they come in two different sizes, small and large, to accommodate everybody's needs. They are soft and squishy, very, very comfortable looking. Headphones are packed in here pretty tight. They do a good job of packaging, and they feel good too. This is the 3-button controller and microphone for your Bluetooth headphones, and that's also where you plug in the USB to micro USB charging cable. And of course, instruction and warranty information. I want to thank you very much for watching this unboxing video for JVC's HAEN10BT.